And finally, everybody write your name here. Everybody show your artwork with your face and with your beautiful smile. Wow. Excellent your artwork, my dear little students, my dear little kids. All of your artwork is very